Do you feel like something is missing in your life? That lack of purpose and meaning? Like you're a cog in a wheel as you go about your day, but deep inside you know that there's something more, that you're destined for something more than that soul-crushing dead-end job or that relationship that is going nowhere. I get it. I've been there. And also, in addition, so much has happened in this world, right? With the war and the pandemic, personal and professional losses. There's the economy, jobs, toxic work environments, relationship breakups. We've been through so much collectively and individually, and it is so easy to feel stuck, and it's so easy to feel like everyone else has the power but us. But what can we do next when there's so much fear and uncertainty? How do we know how to take the next step? That's where I come in. I can help you, and there's hope and there's power for change. All my clients who've worked with me have all said that they have taken their own power back, and they're so clear on the vision of the life that they want for themselves that they've been able to act on this vision using the tools I've taught them. And now they're getting that promotion or that dream job or the side business they've always wanted to create or that relationship that's thriving and fulfilling. All my clients have gone from feeling stuck to empowered and centered and whole. I know what it feels like to feel stuck and to also feel unworthy of an extraordinary life. Is it possible to have a job or career that I love and that gives me so much meaning? Yes, absolutely. And you are worthy of it. And I have a proven plan called the MVP plan to help you go from stuck to purposeful change. MVP stands for mindset, values, and passion. And as your coach, I'm going to work with you on what's holding you back and give you all the tools that's going to help you create purposeful change and create the life that you want, whether that's leaving your job or staying, or getting that promotion or raise, or finding something new or changing careers. Both in Tuesdays with Maury and in Viktor Frankl's Search for Meaning books, they talk about devoting yourself to love and to a larger purpose in life to give you that sense of meaning. Do you have that in your life? Are you where you want to be? Would your future self in 5 years be happy with the decisions you're making today? Are you living to your highest potential and in line with what you value most? Are you living the kind of legacy that you want to leave behind? Live While You're Alive, wrote the poet and novelist Ben Okri. I want to help you truly live and gain that power back and create that life that you want that's full of purpose and meaning. And your job and career, everything and relationships will all fall in place. Sign up for my free workshop. I'm going to give you all the details and all the tools that are in my MVP plan that's going to help you go from stuck to purposeful action and change.